Today we're going to do a full facial dry brush follow along video. So this is a perfect time to grab your facial dry brush and do this with me. We are going to optimize the flow to depuff the face. Let's get into it. The very first step we're going to do is our prep step. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I'm going to go middle finger and ring finger, go below the angle of jawline, follow it all the way down. And I'm going in this triangle right here, not up here, back here. And this is going to be on both sides. I'm going to gently pump downwards about 1 second pace. And we're going to do 10 times each spot. We can do more, however, but this is just a good middle ground that I have found for myself. So this is just unclogging the drains so everything can flow better when we use our facial tools. If you don't have a facial dry brush yet, I have that linked below for you. Now let's go below the angle of jawline, and I'm going to take the same fingers, and I'm going to just gently pump all around this area, just gently moving along. And I'll even go under my chin. Just keep going back and forth along this area. This is feather light pressure. Everything lies right below the skin. That's why I don't need to go really hard here. Good. Now I'm going to hug the ear. So I take my hands like this, front and back, and gently pump downwards like this. So I'm going up and then down. Lift my hand up and then down. And I know we've done more than 10 in some areas, but that's okay. Nice and slow. Allow the body to relax and melt down. Don't stress on this step. Now let's take our ring fingers and we're going to go right along the nose here. Now dry brushing offers just a light, gentle tug across the skin, and that light sweeping motion is what's going to help boost the flow along our neck, our face, and eyes. So this is great for puffiness and light exfoliation for some nice, smooth, and glowing skin. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we're going to grab our facial dry brush and we're going to start right along the neck. We're going to open up the flow to the entire face. So start on whichever side feels best for you. And just really pay attention to how nice this feels, how relaxing this is. And I'm moving from the back to the front of my neck, right under my jawline here. Good. And let's go ahead and switch sides. Oftentimes I get asked how many times in each section. For the body, I usually do about 3 to 5 times. For the face, it does vary. You want to go based off of how your skin feels. We don't want to overdo it. And then I just kind of go in the front of my neck right into here. My facial dry brush is very gentle, so I'm not scratching the skin here. Great. Now what I like to do is under the jawline, I'm going to hold it like this. And then I'm going to go front to back. Front, back to the angle of jawline. You see that little tug in the skin? That's where that flow is happening. A little boost in circulation as well, which is so good for the skin. And then now, let's go ahead and take it down to where everything flows down here. Under the chin, down the neck. One more, under the chin, and down the neck. You can see here a little difference from side to side. Now I'm going to stay on the same side of my face. I think it's easier to do. I'm holding my brush horizontally again, but you can hold it like this as well. Just going front to back now along the jawline. This is really great for kind of sculpting if it kind of gets heavy and stuck in this area. Front to back. Now let's take it all the way down the neck. One more time along the jawline. All the way down the neck. And now let's go ahead and work our way up the cheek. So I'm starting on the outer side of my lip. Short light strokes to the ear. Again, same path. Again, same path. And then now we're going to move up just a little bit more. I'm not exactly under the eye just yet. Repeat. Short light brushes. See that gentle tug? I'm not stretching the skin. It's just little sweeps. Good. Now let's go ahead and we're going to go under the eye. I like to then hold my brush like this, and I'm going to use the outside tip. Move my nose out of the way, and outside tip of the brush going out. That's one. We're going to do 3 under the eye. One more. Now while we're here, let's go ahead and bring all of that down to the neck, right here where everything is going to flow to. Now for the upper eye area, I like to gently lift my brow, hold my brush like this, and now we're going to brush inner to outer. Again, inner to outer, hitting below and above my eyebrow. This feels so good. Good. Now let's go ahead and I'm going to dry brush up on my forehead. Move the hair out of the way if you need. This gives a nice little lift into puff in this area. Perfect. We're going to hit the inner, between the brow while we do the other side. So let's go ahead and start on the other side. We already did the neck. So we're going to go under the jawline, front to back. I think this is so relaxing and feels really good. This can be done any time of day. I think it's good for the morning time if you're feeling puffy because it doesn't make the face too red. But we can also do it in the evening. Now let's move up to our jaw. I'm showing the other way we can do it is just holding it vertically. And then let's go ahead and bring all of this back down to where it flows down the neck. And I don't dry brush over active acne. I have a little spot right here, so I'm skipping this spot. Let's go ahead and go outer lip to front of the ear. Outer lip, front of the ear, outer lip, in front of the ear. Let's move up a little bit. So here I'm doing about 3 times through. There's no right or wrong, we just don't want to overdo it. And now let's go under the eye, outer tip. And you can go a lot slower if you'd like. Make this a really calming ritual. Good, and now let's bring this all down. So I kind of go on the outside of the face where we ended each sweep, bringing it down. Now upper eye, my favorite area, right here, and this is a common neglected area. Inner to outer, inner to outer, inner to outer. Now let's go ahead and move to the middle of the eyebrow before we do the forehead. I'm going to go here, just dry brush up between the brows. Ooh, that feels so good and relaxing. Sometimes I'll just do this in my eyes before bed and my forehead. Okay, now let's go ahead and gradually flip the brush horizontally. Dry brush up over the forehead, over the eyebrow, a nice lift, a nice little stimulation. And let's go ahead and bring it all down the side of the face, right here. And we're complete with that session. Fix your hair if you need to. Just notice how your face feels. I always feel a lot lighter. I feel more awake. So that's where before bed it can be very relaxing. First thing in the morning, a little depuff without not a lot of redness. Afterwards, then this can help with skincare absorption. So now I can apply my skincare and then put my makeup on if I'd like. So let's go ahead and finish with one last pump. Follow the angle of jawline down. This is where everything flows to. If you have any questions, put those in the comments. If you'd like any more follow-alongs, let me know. And everything I use is always in the description. I'll see you in the next video.